8 weeks intensive training. 8 weeks intensive training for those that are interested in learning how to sew and how to cut. Either you're a beginner, intermediate, you are included in this training. It will be an intensive training for only those that are interested, meaning those that are ready to practicalize. These are those that are assumed that are interested. Okay. Now, here is how the training will be. We will be training the beginners and the intermediate. There are intermediates as a beginner. We're talking about the basics. We'll be starting with the skirts, the gathered skirts, the pencil skirts, funnel skirts, different types of flea. All right. Then for those in the intermediate, I expect you to know how to sew these skirts that I just mentioned. Intermediate will not be teaching you how to gather skirts, funnel skirts, flay skirts. It's not part of it. Okay. So it will come in two parts: the beginners training and the intermediate advanced training. We have the blouse. When it comes to her blouse, we have blouse for the beginners and we have blouse for those that are intermediate, bustier, different types of bustier, tubeless, and the rest of them. When it comes to gown, we equally have gown for the beginners, gown for the intermediate. The same way we have trousers for the beginners, we equally have trousers for the intermediate. All right. So every part of fashion will be taught in this training. Only for those that have pattern paper. What do I expect from you? As being part of this training, I expect you when I post a video, because my video will be a well detailed video. Here are the types of video you will be getting. When a palazzo trouser is to be made, or a straight trouser is to be cut, or corporate gown is to be cut, I will be making a drafting. The gown will be drafted, one. Secondly, a video will be made on cutting it on the fabric. The sewing video will usually be made. The finishing video, up to the ironing video, will be made. So it's gonna be a well-detailed video. So when it's posted today, let's say today, I expect you to go through the videos. All right. I expect you to pick your pattern paper and try it out. That is why I said those that are serious. I expect you to try it out. Then you ask me question. You do not just ask random question when there are questions you only see or you ask when you are at the point of it. So the video will be well explained. All right. How do you get access to this class? For you to get access to this class, what you need to do is on the description of this video, okay, there will be a WhatsApp link on it. Click on the link and join it. All right. Now, when you join, you have direction on where how to join the main class. Okay. Now, this particular training, it is only for those that are interested. I need emphasis on that because for me to give you a direct video call, if you're at any point trying those styles out and you're confused, you will be getting a direct video call from me, voice call, WhatsApp call rather. Yeah, I expect when I call you, you'll be showing me what you're doing, and this is where I'm having problem. So that is why I'm saying, please, it is for those that are interested and ready. Okay. Now, another thing about this training is I will be adding YouTube and social media into it. Yes, and it will go for those in the intermediate. For those that have been on this channel, you'll notice that I've not posted for a very long while. You know, I had a package, a course that I was doing. I needed to concentrate, so I've not been able to post. But I just want to tip in this that since I stopped posting for the past 3 months, every 25th, I always get alerts from YouTube. Every 25th, I always get alerts from YouTube. So I do not know what you're waiting for. You know, as a fashion designer, these are the multiple ways of you getting money. So don't miss out of it for anything. Don't not miss out of it. So I decided to take it, this YouTube aspect of it will be taught only to those in the intermediate. All right. We'll be looking at the fastest way to get monetized. The fastest way to get monetized, one video on YouTube can actually get you monetized. The fastest way to get monetized in 2 months. And for those that follow my pattern, I assure you that if you do what I ask you, in less than 3 months, you're monetized on YouTube. That is my assurance. That is my assurance. So what you just need to do is below this video, click on the link and join. All right. So see you guys in the class and remain blessed.